Okay, our website is going well so far. Let's add a new row with a video on it. For this, we're going to add a new row. Let's set it to one column. Page Builder always adds the new rows in the middle of all of the other rows. To avoid this, we're going to drag this new row to the bottom of our page. And we're going to duplicate this last row, like this. So, if you need a new row in the future, you'll just have to duplicate the last one. So, you don't have to be dragging and dropping rows across your web page. This is especially useful if you have like 10 or 20 rows. So let's add a video widget here. But as I told you before, we're not going to be working exactly with the video widget because it does not look so well. So we're going to use the editor widget. We're going to edit and go to the text tab. And here we're going to copy the code for videos I gave you in previous lectures. But to spare you the work of having to go to the previous lecture, I also added this code in the lecture resources. We're going to add any video you want. For this, I choose one video of my YouTube channel and copy this code. Let's paste it here. There. Let's go to the Visual tab. Very well, it's working fine. Click on Done. So, what do we want our website to say? We're going to add more widgets into this row. We're going to look for the headline widget. And we're going to drag it on top of our editor widget. Let's click on Edit. We are going to add this text. We have the best computers in town. Okay, HTML tag is well. Let's set it to blue color. And in the subheadline tab, we're going to write, check out the testimonials of our customers. We're not going to be using a divider. Use fit text, preview. Very well, looks great. Click on Done. We're going to preview changes. Excellent. Now we have our video widget with some titles on top on it. Looks fine, but you know what? I want to separate this row from this row. How can we tell the difference? For this, we are going to add some color to our row. Go to the Edit row. In the last row we were working on, go to Design tab in the row settings, and let's choose a background color. Select color, and we're going to choose this blue color. Excellent. Click on Done. Now let's preview, or let's update, and let's open this permalink. Okay, we have some problems in this row. For instance, we cannot see our headline because it is the same color as the background. Also, this row is not expanded to the borders of our screen. We're going to solve this now. First, let's go to the site origin headline. And let's change the headline color. Let's choose yellow. Click on Done. And let's go to the row settings. Edit row. And we're going to open the layout tab. Now, the row layout is a standard, which means it does not expand to the borders of our screen. So we're going to change this like this. Full width stretched. Very well. Let's click on done. Let's update. And let's open the link once more. There you go. Now we have the row which extends to the borders of any screen. But it is not ready yet. You can see that there is little space between our content and the border of the row. You can see this. We are going to add more space. Once again, let's go to the Edit Row settings. Open the Layout tab once again, and we're going to add some values to our padding, which means the space between the border of the row and the content in it. I used to add 30 pixels in rows, like this. That's the value I use most frequently. Click on Done. You know what? And also, we're going to change the subheadline color. Click on Edit, open the subheadline, and let's change it to white color. Done. Let's update once again and open this link. Excellent. Now it looks great. The video is ready to play. For instance, if you have this is the page for your business, you can add some testimonials of your customers. But I think we need another call to action button right here below our video. So what are we going to do? We need a new button just like this one. So we're going back to our page editor and we're going to copy this button. We're going to duplicate it like the row we just duplicated before. Click on duplicate, and we're going to drag this duplicated button to a different row like this. We're going to edit it, and the only change we're going to make to this button is a color change. So let's go to the Design and Layout tab in the button settings, and I think a yellow color will do the work. Also, we need to change the text color. We're going to select an obscure or dark color. Click on Done. Click on Update. And let's preview changes. Excellent. Okay, I forgot to change the icon color. I think you are already capable of doing that. But just to make sure, let's go back to the Site Origin button settings. Go to the Icon tab. We're going to select the same dark color. Click on Done. Update. There. It is ready.